Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn about the basic image resizing with the sharp in the Node.js. So basically, whether you want to resize an image, so what package you have to use? The package is sharp library. That is one of the most popular library for the Node.js for resizing the image. So let's see how we are going to do that. Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So this is the basic simple code for the resizing. Okay, just copy and paste it. I'm going to use it. Okay, let me comment this previous code and make sure you have to install the sharp library, and it is currently supported with the node.js 20. I suppose you have to add or respective of their versions, so you can choose any of the versions and do with the version specific. So if I go to the npmi sharp npm sharp library, so here you can see that this is the sharp library. Okay, and the downloads are pretty much good, you can see that, right? And if you want the specific one, so you have to go with the dependencies. So where we go with the versions, so here you can see that if you need the specific versions, you can go with the specific version to install and play around it. Okay, so currently I'm using the latest version, so I'm using the latest one, right? So here we're going to take it like define the input and the output paths. So here we have to go with, let me just check this, what is the input. So this is input path. Let me console this. Let me just reload. Input file is missing. Top node.js input.jpg we required. Okay, so we will make it any file to be on the top of it. Let's take this as an example. Let's take it this rename .png. So I'm going to take it like this. Okay, and we have to make a output.jpg. Okay, so let's try to make it like this, and image is resized by 300 by 300. Let's have a look. So this image resized would be output, we require output.jpg, right? It's basically blank. Let's make the another one image for this one. Shouldn't but it says that it's uploaded, it's done. Okay, this we will try. So resized, let's have a look. This is okay, I think. I don't know what happened to that image. Okay, this is okay. Let's make it like 100. Okay, let's try. Okay, let's restart it again, and 100 by 100. So here you can see 100 by 100 images done. If I go to check the properties, okay, so the image properties by 100 by 100 pixel, and it is resized. Okay, so this is how you can do the basic resize. What we have to, we are using the sharp library, right? And this is define the paths. So here what image you want to resize, make sure you have to add the path over here. After this, we have the resize the image to whatever pixels. So sharp dot input path, so which image you want to resize. So there's a parameter that is resize, whatever width you want to make it, you can make it resize to the whatever pixels you want, preserving the aspect ratio. So make sure the aspect ratio would be this, would be the same, not you are mentioning the height and width, then definitely it will crop the image, right? So to file, where you want to write that file in the output. So here we go with this one. If something goes wrong, it will give me the error, that error in resizing the image, and if not, then image resized successfully with all the information. Here you can see that, right? So this is our basic resize funda in the node.js with the sharp library. And without any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.